I got a call from my friend working at the construction site. Told me they just threw away a typewriter, and mine is still working. He knows I sell on eBay, so he says, come grab it. It's free. I get there and he brings me out a vintage Smith Corona Electro 120. So I brought it home and started messing around with it. It actually still types. They were literally about to throw a working typewriter away. Now it's time for a cleanup and test it fully. And then I'm gonna list it on eBay, because these ones go for over $200 on eBay. Would you save it or left it behind? Let me know in the comments.